Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to another episode of Writer's Workshop, Nonfiction Chapter Books, Unit 2, Bend 1. Writing teaching books with independence. Writers, the other day we studied the pictures of Anne Schreiber's book, Sharks. We learned the teaching power pictures have when the author includes lines and arrows, captions, and zooming in. But I wonder, do authors do anything else to teach their readers? Let's take another look inside that book, Sharks. What do you notice? Different sharks have different teeth. Their teeth are perfect for what they eat. Long, spiky teeth are for catching. Flat teeth are for grinding. Serrated teeth are for ripping. Word bites. Serrated. When something is serrated, it has a jagged edge like a saw blade. Wow! Prehistoric sharks had really big teeth, up to 6 inches. Good thing these guys are extinct. Megalodon tooth. The megalodon is a prehistoric shark. Scientists made a life-size model of the megalodon's jaw and put in the teeth they have found. You can imagine how big the shark must have been. Wow, so these pictures taught me lots of things about sharks and their teeth. I learned that shark teeth come in different sizes and in different shapes. And they gave us a caption telling us that each shape and size has a different reason. Those long, spiky teeth are for catching the prey. The flat teeth are for grinding, and the serrated teeth are for ripping. Writers, today I want to teach you that pictures have more teaching power when they show and tell specific shapes, colors, numbers, and sizes. Let's use a first grade example and see if we can help this student draw a picture with all of those teaching powers. She wanted to teach about getting ready to go from school to home, but couldn't figure out how to draw all of the steps in one picture. You see, she wrote that there were 3 steps. First, put your homework folder and books in your backpack. Next, put on your coat. And last, put your chair on your desk. How might she show all 3 steps in just one box? Writers, to help out, please use your whiteboards or paper and draw what a going home page could look like. Remember some of the teaching pictures you have seen in Sharks. Try to draw each step and think about the order. Include pictures that have arrows, captions, and zooming in, or even adding specific size, shapes, colors, and even numbers. Your exit ticket today in class, we read a book called Going Home. The page had 3 steps. First, you put your homework folder and books in your backpack. Then you put on your coat. Then you put your chair on your desk. Draw a detailed picture for this page and include all 3 steps. Don't forget to use all you learned from Lesson 4. Nonfiction writers teach with pictures, including arrows, captions, zooming in, size, shape, color, and even numbers. Have a great day, writers, and I can't wait to see what you write and draw.